Ramogi TV, Migori.
Speaker mar od bura ma kaunti ma Nairobi Kennedy Ngondi okwayo ng'uono bang' chopo mbele telo mar Jo-Islam mong'ere kaka SUPKEM. Kennedy okwayo ng'uono bang' chuno mos kuom nyadendi moro mar Ja-Islam. Jotelogo nokwedo wach makamano ka giwacho ni en gima ok owinjore gi chik mar Islam. Bende gikwayo oganda mondo luor Islam kata obedo ni gin gi telo e sirkal.
Yes. We are ready to stand even for non-Muslim ladies. We are ready to stand up further to speak alone.
I am here to make it categorically to the entire world and my country, Kenya, that my actions has really brought a lot of unrest within my family. I'm a family person, and I really regret of my actions. I'm here on behalf of my family and the County Assembly of Nairobi as the speaker who is actually supposed to be the mirror of the society and the role model of what happened in the year 2022 during my birthday celebration. To the Muslim community, I say a word of thank you for accepting my request to meet you so that I could place my apology before you.
We want this to be a lesson for others. As Muslim community, we want our daughters and our women to be respected. They have got a dress code. That dress code must be respected, right from primary school to secondary school to the places they work.
Nyako Ramogi en thuolo mar kawo yueyo to kapok wadhi e yueyo, yena mondo asom moko kuom ote muse